What's up, fam? Uh, I'm making this video about Sara, Seti, right? Because, a while ago, he had made some claims about Farrakhan, man, and that I don't agree with, you understand? And I really don't know why these brothers chose to come out against a man like Farrakhan, knowing that during a Million Man March, right? That all these brothers, they're talking all this crap about the minister and they're lying on him and trying to slander his character. I bet you my last dollar, every last one of them was at the Million Man March chanting, Farrakhan, Farrakhan, Farrakhan. So now, all of a sudden, that they got YouTube and got a little bit of following, they want to come out against the minister. And if you ask me, the reason for that is they want to be in the minister's shoes, right? They wish they had as much love from the people as the minister Farrakhan did. And they wish they opened up as many eyes as the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan did. But they could never do it. They could never stand up against a man like the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to show y'all a couple of clips from Sara Seti that claimed the minister was a Mason or whatever the crap he was saying. And I'm going to show y'all, I'm going to prove to y'all that he was lying. Alright? Let's check this first clip out.
That's fair, That's our set. Do we know this? Does he teach this? Where they got their salat from? About an African thousands of years before Muhammad, Ibn Abdullah of Arabia came on the scene. They ain't got no photos or no statues showing them doing these prayer formations before Egypt. This is
Pause right there. First of all, I attended Mosque number 6, man, and out of Baltimore, right? And I was in the service one time, man, and Wesley Muhammad came to the mosque and he taught on all this stuff. Ancient Egypt, man, all this stuff that them brothers teach, man, the Nation of Islam already taught on that stuff. See, Sara Seti, right? He's a Johnny come lately. He's late on the scene. And if you ask me, he has no idea what the Nation of Islam teach. Now, hold on. I'm going to show you another clip where he lying. Hold on. All right, family. Here go the other clip.
Here we go. It's a Masonic code. It's a Masonic code. Goddamn, them men is world leaders. They do not get up on them. They have been trained when they go out into ceremonies in the public, how to stand, how to eat, how to talk. They go through that shit from the time they go into elementary to the time they go into the position of president, politician, head of state, any type of, they train. So he's not up there just, okay?
See, family, this is where he pulled the wool over your eyes. If you look at that picture right there, that is not a photo. That's a picture where he's about to make a speech. Now, I don't know how many of y'all ever watched a Farrakhan speech, right? And I've watched thousands of them. Because right now, to be honest with you, Farrakhan is like my spiritual father, right? If I ever need to get some spiritual food, you know how you just need to build your spirituality up? I listen to some Farrakhan. It be so much negativity going on, especially in the conscious community, right? That sometimes you, after listening to that shit for so long, your spirits will become low because there's a lot of negativity going on. So whenever I would feel low spiritually, man, I would listen to some Farrakhan, man. Right? So what Sara Suten did was he took a video and he freeze framed it, right? and Seti making a Masonic pose. And I'm going to prove to you that's what he did in a minute. But anybody that watched the Farrakhan speech know that in the beginning of his speech, before he starts speaking and he come out on stage, people be so hyped up and they be applauding and cheering the minister on for so long that he puts his hands up and try to get them to sit down and calm down so he can get on with his speech. Now, if you're a person, the only person that wouldn't know that is somebody that don't listen to the minister. So Sara Seti, man, is a liar, right? And, you know, he's the kind of person, man, just like a whole lot of other brothers that came through the House of Consciousness. Now, I ain't throwing no shade on the House of Consciousness, but it's a lot of those brothers that came through the House of Consciousness, man, and somewhere along the line, they lost their way. Right? The House of Consciousness is still there doing what it's supposed to do, but some of those brothers that came through there flipped the script. Right? And now they want to throw shade on all the elders because they end up gaining a lot of followers after being on the House of Consciousness. So Sara Seti choose to pick the minister to lie on. Just like Hassan Campbell lied on the minister. Right? Nobody knew who these people was until the House of Consciousness, until they came through the House of Consciousness. Right? And a lot of them won't admit that today. But the man is a liar, and I'm about to prove it to you in a minute. But first I got another clip of him trying to say somebody is throwing up goddamn Masonic signs. Let me get that clip for you. Here's another one, family. Now, it appears that what he's saying is Farrakhan is mimicking this little white statue. But if you look at the hands very closely, they are not arranged in the same way. You understand? Now, if you ever saw a Farrakhan speech at the headquarters in Chicago, after he speaks, he goes to the crowd and asks them if anybody want to join the nation or whatever. And he come out to the people like that, just showing humbleness and love. That's all that is. And what Seti did was freeze frame the damn video. He not sending no messages, no damn Mason brothers or nothing. He just freezed the frame and just said what he wanted to say over top of it. But there's a lot of y'all fell for it though. There's a whole lot of people that fall for Sara Seti. But I didn't, because I know better. See, I'm a free thinker. And guess how I learned to be a free thinker? From the Honorable Minister Louis Farrakhan. One thing I love about the minister, what made me really get into him when I first heard him, he always said, don't take my word for it, go study it for yourself. But you never hear Sara Seti say that. Seti is saying, take my word for it, these people are Masons. They throwing up Masonic signs. But if you ask me, Sara Seti is illiterate. And you can tell by his vocabulary. And somebody made a comment that Sara Seti cussed because he's trying to wake up the dead. Come on, man. Malcolm X woke up a lot of dead people. Not physically either, mentally dead. And he didn't cuss. So that, what y'all said about Seti waking up the dead, that's why he cussed, is a lie. See, y'all following Seti with the lies. Right? The minister wake up a lot of dead people and he don't cuss. So now I'm ready to prove to you that Sara Seti just told y'all a bunch of lies by using these fake clips, fake pictures, right? I'm about to show you. Here we go, family. Now you see this? This is the proof that Sara Seti lied and took video clips, freeze framed it, and tried to say people was throwing up Masonic signs. Now here you have a picture. What I did was I found a part that he was holding up the 666 sign, and I freeze framed it. Now I can do the same damn thing with this photo right here, right? And say the same thing about Seti. I can say he sold his soul to the damn devil because he's throwing up the 666 sign. But I'm not going to do that, right? I'm letting y'all know that this is what he did to pour war over your eyes, right? Now look at this whole picture. Look how polite looking at him, and look how red pill is looking at him. Man, I could doctor this clip up so much that I can make believers out of y'all. The same thing he did. And if you ask me, he more satanic than anybody. Right? But I ain't gonna do that. I'm just showing y'all what he did. He took little video clips and freeze framed it and made it like they was taking a picture. And that's not what they did. What this devil did was freeze framed it. And you know what? He got a lot of followers behind that. And if you follow him, man, you just as crooked as he is. But then again, I ain't gonna say that, because y'all humble people and y'all don't know no better. To follow a cat like this, that don't do nothing but cuss in every speech that he had. So yeah, fam, I just wanted to prove to y'all that Sara Suten Seti is a liar.